Yeah, hi all. Good evening. Okay. So today we are going to start with the remaining topic of functions. Okay, functions. So yes, last class we have seen general function, NVL to decode college. These are the general functions we have seen last class, and then the definition wise we have seen. Then lower, upper, init cap length. Okay, and then we have seen L trim, R trim, trim function, concat function. Okay, so hope you guys practice. These are the scenarios, whatever the functions we have. Can anyone confirm how many of you have practiced? Okay. Only 4 people practiced. 7 people, 8 people. Atul? Atul? Atul?
Yeah. Yeah.
You practiced?
Yes. Yeah. I practice.
Syllabus. Okay. Any doubt, guys, while practicing? Any doubt?
Jay, regarding that only trim function.
Trim function, yeah.
Like, is it possible to explain one more time?
Trim function, correct.
Yeah, only trim.
Who will explain trim function? Who will explain trim function? Atul, will you explain trim function? Hariom, can you explain trim function? Who was having doubt?
Me, Nawaz.
Nawaz, okay. Fine. Atul, can you explain once again? Atul, fast. Narsimha? Anyone? Who want to explain trim function, guys?
Can I?
Practice.
Yeah, myself.
Yeah, please.
Trim is actually we can whenever we are applying the trim function, it gives the character from left or right, or it may be from both from the given string. So, for example, when we are using L trim, that's which gives the string from the left hand side, the column or string, whichever we are going to give. The entire syntax when we are giving L trim, automatically the whatever the blank space we have at the left hand side, it will be removed and remaining will be printed. When we are giving R trim, so for example, after the string, if there is any right hand side empty space, it will be removed. Coming to the trim, the both L trim and R trim together to be performed with the single instruction like a trim.
Okay. So guys, what is trim function? Like what is L trim? No? When you use L trim, is there any blank spaces before any string? Okay, consider that if we have a table. Okay, if we have a table, let me close it.
Jan, can you hear me? Actually,
Yeah, I can.
yeah, actually, I was trying to explain, but somehow I'm not able to connect. Yeah. So basically, the trim function remove the space or character, whatever the starting from or end string.
So
if you are
trim
using-
functions remove the space from where?
Starting or end.
Starting or end.
End.
Correct. Left or right?
Right.
Okay. So Nawaz, you understood?
Yeah, left trim, right trim, I understood. Yeah, it's I don't have any doubt in it. Only the trim. Right
Trim
trim.
function.
Give any example is helpful.
Okay. So take it example. Select a star from employees. Okay, consider this table. Okay. And then if I'll take anything like, select anything. Let's take it one example with where both the sides will have the space will be there. Okay, a space will be there. Trim, and then take it as a my name only. Give some space. Okay, JYNT, and then more space. Okay, and then if you'll give one more quote, string should be in under the single quote. Okay, from dual, you can say dual is a dummy table which will apply all the whatever the value you want to run, which is not available in the any table, you can run here. So if you'll run it, what will happen if you'll use trim? So both the sides space will be removed. Now if you see here as well as here, it will be removed. Both the sides space will be removed. Now see, both the sides the space is removed. Now if you see here, we have the space because of the name of the stream Jayant. Okay, so if you'll make it as a alias name, what will happen? Now see, is there any space both the sides, Nawaz?
Yeah, no.
So this is the trim function. Trim is a combination of L trim and R trim.
Okay.
L trim and R trim.
Okay, good.
Okay, so this is what we have. Just wait for 2 minutes, guys. Yeah, guys. So what substring functions will do, no? Substring functions will return a substring from a given string starting from position P2 and character. So if you want to get the only the piece of character, consider that if you have a character called technology, if you want to get only TECH from the technology, TECH, consider that this is the string you have. Now, if you want to get only the filtered one, like a trimmed one, take only you want to print, then substring functions will work here. So what it will do, it will give you the piece of character from the given character. It will give you from the given string, it will give you the piece of character. Like if you want to, if you have some character like I have Jayant, and I want to print only JAY. So what we'll do, we'll go for the substring. So substring, if we'll give, then we'll be able to get the J. If you have a table, if you have employees table, and if you want to apply, if you the requirement for the customer, they are saying that I want only account from this. Okay, I want from account, I want account only from this. Then write me a query for the same. So what you'll use, what you will do, you will use substring function. You will use substring function on this job ID. So how will you use the substring function on the job ID? We have a syntax for that. So what is the syntax we have? What is the syntax we have? Substring string start position length. String start position length. Okay. Substring string start position length. String means what? Your technology word. Okay, it's your technology word you will give. A start position, from which position you want? I want from the first position only. How many character you want? I want 4 character. Okay, so what you will give here? String is technology, a start position 1, and then I want only 4 character from the technology. And from this, consider that I want only account from this. We'll use where condition, and we want only account from this. So how many characters we have to leave? 1, 2, 3, 4. So start from 4th character and give all the value. So you have to pass the job ID here, and then start position will be your 4, and then whatever the value is there, 3, 3, 6, 7 characters. If you will not give 7 characters also, it will work. With using substring function, we can get the piece of character from a string. With using substring functions, we can get a piece of character from a string. Okay, so if you use substring function, you will get piece of character from a string. If you want only a logi to be printed, that also possible. If you want only gy to be printed, that also possible. So using the start position and length, you can take the whatever the required things are there, you will get only those things. Okay, so let's see what are the different types of examples we have, and then we'll discuss once again. Okay, now consider that I want to print from this is given as a substring. Let's take the syntax also first, and then we'll compare with the syntax also. Let's paste it here. So this is the syntax. In string is what? Jayant Kumar is a string. Okay, Jayant Kumar is a string. A start position, what I want? I want start position. I want to print only this much. I want to print only this much. So what we'll do? We'll give a start position is what? 1. We'll give the start position as 1. 1. And how many characters we want? We want only 3 characters. So we'll give as a 3 character. Got it? So if you run it, what output you will get, guys?
J.
So you will get J. Okay. Now I want only Jen to be printed from this. So what you will do?
6, change 3 to 6.
3 to 6. So we'll get Jen only.
Yeah.
So this is the method. If you want to give any alias, you can give alias. Okay. So it will be, you can give alias also after the printing of the substring. So this is one method. Now consider that I want to print from the technology only TECH. Let's help me to write the query, guys.
Select substring,
Of
single
technology,
quoted technology, comma,
Hmm.
1,
Hmm.
comma, 4.
4 from
Is it okay? We'll get tech. Only tech
Yes.
will get.
Yeah.
yeah
We are getting only tech. Okay. Now consider that I want to print only Kumar. What you will do?
I replace 6 with
7. The starting position should be 7.
7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Starting position 7.
8.
8.
1, 2, 3. 8.
3 plus 6 with 5.
5.
8 to
5.
5.
So it will give only Kumar.
Yeah.
Okay. So Kumar. Now, if I'll not give this also 5, no. So what it will take? It will print all the value from after Kumar. After K, it will print all the value. If you will not give 5 also, it will consider that all the value I have to print from 8. Got it? Now, like whatever the characters will be there, you add a number of characters, and from 8th, I want all the value. You don't give any limit of the value. Okay, any length you don't give. So it will print whatever the value start from K and then up to end wherever it will go. Got it, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello,
Yeah, tell me.
sir, Jayant and Kumar, in between that space is there. So that space will also count, right?
Yeah, so that's why we have written, if you'll count the character 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then a space is 7. That's why we have started from 8th. So it's taking from Kumar, K.
Okay,
It's taking from K.
okay. Thank you.
Okay, now you tell me. Let's start from here. Okay. Now I want to print only IT. Can you guys can you help me to write it? Select.
Yeah. Select star.
Select a job ID.
Select
star.
Select star of
Job ID.
I want only IT to be printed.
2.
2, 2. 1 by 2.
1,2.
1,2.
Do I have to apply any filter condition here?
Where condition we need to apply?
Where job ID is equal to 7. But is IT program.
IT
Job is equal to
program.
IT program.
IT program.
It will work, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Got it? So what value we have? Actual value?
IT.
Okay, IT. Now I want to print only PROG. So what we have to write?
Sir,
4.
3,
Replace with
4.
4 and 4.
4.
4 and 4.
4.
4 and 4.
This will work?
Yes, this will also work.
Yes.
4. 4.
Okay. Who did not understand, raise your hand. Who did not understand, raise your hand. Only people, just a second, let me remove that. Let me lower the hand, then you raise it. 1 second. Huh? Yeah, tell me now, raise your hand.
Sir,
Yeah, raise your hand. Who did not understand? Who did not get it? What is substring? How it is working? Raise your hand. Everyone got it? Okay.
sir, actually, like job ID, wherever it is there in table, like all job IDs will get print now, sir.
Because we have given where condition, no? It will filter
Okay.
for this value only. If you will not give for this value, no, then it will work for the all the table value.
Okay.
James, sorry to interrupt.
Yeah.
We can use it in real-time scenarios. This type of strings and all.
Sorry.
We can use it in real-time. I mean,
Yeah, definitely. We are going to use it. In real-time scenario also, we are going to use it. See, whatever the things we have, either it is important for the interview purpose as well as for the project purpose.
yeah.
The full syllabus for that only I have designed such a way that nothing is extra we have.
Now, how can we came to know we can use the substring and all? Is there
They'll
any-
give you a requirement in mapping document. They'll give you requirement.
Okay.
Okay, so
Based
I'll
upon the
explain you in
requirement, we can perform
Informatica.
these operations.
We'll explain you in Informatica how you're going to get the requirement and how you're going to implement there.
Yeah, okay, Jane, thank you.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So substring, I hope
Hello?
everything clear. Yeah, tell me.
Sir, if you want, suppose we want two columns, different. So we
Like
will
this?
use two
Like this?
queries. Yes,
Like
job ID and again next some different column.
you can give n number of columns you can give.
Okay.
From employee table, we have 11 columns, correct? You can give
Right.
n number of
In the
columns.
same query or a different? We have to write different query for that.
Use comma, give substring.
Okay.
Okay. Just try
Okay.
it
And
with the
here
multiple.
in select job ID, there also we have to write that column name.
Yeah, whatever the column, it belongs to the employees table, you can write it there. Like see.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So this is yours. Yeah, tell me.
Jayant, one question. Suppose first name is Vijay. Last character is from any string. Why? You got it?
Sorry,
Last
sorry.
character. Yeah. Suppose example is its first name Vijay. Okay. Sub str. To the last character from any string. So only for Y. Vijay ka Y. So he did it.
Yeah,
String you
And
have
sub
written wrong, sir.
and you written.
okay. Give it how many character? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Why? Yeah.
And
Yeah,
one more
James,
thing, guys. One more thing. If you want to get only J, okay. So there are two ways to get it. Either from the starting 3 to you can mention 3.
5.
It will print. Otherwise, negative also you can take it. Like from the last. So this Y will be considered as a -1. A will be -2. J will be -3.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I want from -3 to, if you'll mention -3, let's see what will happen. Okay. Got it? So -1, -2, -3, I want all the value. So it is giving all the value. Consider that I want from IJ only I want. This character only I want. Can you help me, guys, to write it using negative scenario?
-4.
minus
-4.
2,
-4.
Then?
comma 2. 2.
-2.
2 only.
-2.
Okay. IJ. -2, it will not work, no? Like we are finding length.
Okay. Right.
So
Got it.
-4, it is -4th position. This is -5th position. Okay, so let's move to the next topic. Just practice. How much you will do practice, that much it will be good. Next one will be.
James, hello, James.
Yeah,
Hello.
tell me.
If we put a 0 in the place of length, what will happen?
0 in the place?
In the length, we will, when we put a 0 in the place of length, what will happen?
These are the things you can also practice, no? You want me to do all these things? Null it will come. It will not able to find anything. Okay?
Okay.
Try with different value, different things.
Yes,
Okay,
some
now
length is needed. Some length is needed.
Okay, just try with the different. You understood that how it works. Use it with the different columns, different tables. You use it. Use @gmail.com. Something you can add it. Like creativity should be there. Okay, how much you will be do creativity, that much it will be nice. I know, like this is sometimes it will be difficult, and combinations of some string in string will be always difficult. Okay, So you have to remember all this point. And the moment you will run today, no, you may forget after 1 week. So you have to keep remembering all these things. It's easy, but it's a very forgettable things also. So you have to be careful on this. Okay. Next one will be your in-string. Okay. So what in-string functions we do, no? In-string functions return the numeric position of the named character. In-string function returns the numeric position of the named character. In the sense, if I want to find the numeric position of the named character, in the sense like I want to find on what position this I is. We know like it's on second position, correct? But when you have a like, you know, big string will be there. In that, if you want to find the numeric position of any character, so what you will do, you will use in-string function. In-string function, you will use in-string function. So in-string functions return the numeric position of a named character. Numeric position of named character. Okay. With using in-string function, we can find the position of a string. So what position it is? Second position, third position, fourth position, fifth position, in what position the string is available. So if we want to find it, we'll use in-string function. Okay. In-string functions return the numeric position. Numeric position in the sense, if I want to find the consider that I have a character Jayanth. Okay. I have a character Jayanth. So I want to find the numeric position of this A. So what position it is?
Second.
Second position. What about this one?
Fourth.
Fourth one.
Fourth position.
Fourth
Okay.
position.
So these are the things. This is the first occurrence. This is the second occurrence. Correct. This is the first occurrence. First time it is available. This is the second time it's available. Second occurrence. So that is what the syntax of substring. In string, column or string, substring. Okay, start position, and then occurrence. So what I mean to say that string is Jayanth. Consider string is Jayanth. Substring is what? I want to find the numeric position of A. First A. I want to find the numeric position of first A. So we'll give A here, substring as A. Then start position, from first position we want. Okay. And occurrence, what you want? First occurrence only I want. So it will give 2. If I'll give second occurrence, then it will give 4. Okay. So this is a little big syntax, but you have to remember all this. There is no other way. You have to remember everything. So there are so many queries are there in your things. Guys, can you check your drive? Do we have a query available in after this?
Hello.
Yeah, tell me. Hello. Hello. Yeah, tell me. Somebody was asking something.
Sir, if we not write occurrence, then
Occurrence, then it will take by default first character only. Okay. Let's see that. Okay. One by one, we'll do it. Let's take it. This syntax. Now, if you'll see the things here. Now you tell me what output you will get. Occurrence we have not mentioning here. Okay. So what is this? Call string is what? Jayanth Kumar. String is Jayanth Kumar. Substring is what? A. Okay. Starting position, what you will give? 1. Okay. I want numeric position of A at the first occurrence. So if you will see this is the string. This is the string. This one is the string. Okay. And then this is substring.
A is the substring.
Start position, from which position I want? I want to start from first position. Okay. And then which occurrence I want numeric position? First occurrence
First
of
occurrence.
2
Okay.
will get, sir.
Will get
Position 2.
got it. Now if
Hmm.
I'll make it second occurrence, then
Fourth.
4.
if I'll not mention anything here, then
I think 2, 4, and
2 for
8.
both you will get.
2,
I
2.
think
So by default, it will take a
Only
starting
2 will
position first character. By default, it will take a starting first character and then first occurrence.
okay.
Now think I want to start from third position and I want first occurrence. Third position I want to start. I
2
want
will
first
get
occurrence.
2.
Then
2.
see, I want to start from third character and then after third, first occurrence of A will be what? This one?
Why?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So what it will do, no? It will count from here only. It will count from here only. 1, 2, 3, 4 only. It will give as output in this case also. So I want to start from this, but occurrence I want first occurrence after from Y. From Y I want first occurrence only. So that's what. But counting it will do from here only because we are passing full string, you know. So it is counting as from first character only. Second occurrence from this, but if you want to start from here, it will be first occurrence only. After this second occurrence on what position, guys? From third character, second occurrence of A will be
7. 7.
how 7? 1, 2,
11.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
11. 11.
Sir, after third, no? Third we are using.
See, after third, we want second occurrence of A.
Or we can give -2 also, no, sir. -2.
You want to do -2?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, no, sir.
See, 7 counting is if you start from here, then it's 7. But when you give start like the occurrence occurrence from here, then counting of the character it will start from here only. That's what I'm trying to tell you.
Oh,
Occurrence it will count from here, but when it will give overall, no, it will give from here only. Occurrence, like, you know, let me explain you once again. You may get confused. So I want a string from first occurrence. Sorry, from first character it should start, and I want first occurrence. Okay, I want first occurrence. So what it will do? It will start from here. 1, 2. So it will give you 2 output. Correct?
Yes, correct.
I want second occurrence. Then
And fourth.
Start from
It gives 4.
4.
A, Y, A, and 4.
okay.
Correct.
If I want to go for the third occurrence,
11.
Y, A, 11.
11.
so it will give 11, including your space. Okay.
Chair. Hello.
Let me complete it, then you ask. Okay.
Oh.
Hopefully, I'll be able to answer your question in between only. So, okay, now
Yes.
you tell me. Okay, this is the third occurrence of this. Okay. Now I want. If I'll give the start your counting from third, from Y you start. Okay, and I want first occurrence of A after Y. After Y.
2.
See, but if you count from here, no, then it will give 2. But first occurrence, it will take this only. But counting, it will do from here.
That means 4 it will display.
What is the difference, sir, then?
See, the in between that, if you want, like I want to count it from somewhere in between. Difference is nothing. Difference is nothing because you are finding After
We are
this
getting the
character,
same output.
see, try to understand what I'm saying. Okay, from third character, first occurrence you give, then it will count it here. But overall, if your things will start from here, then it will give first occurrence this only, no. But from here it's starting, then it is giving first occurrence.
Got it.
If you will give start from one first character and first occurrence, then it will take it here, this one. But if you want to start from Y and give me first occurrence, then it will take this only. There is a value change. This is different. This is different. Okay. And this is different. Output you will get same thing only. Now, if you will mention here 3 and 1 here, output you will get same only. Output you will get same only. See, second occurrence, it will give you 4. This also will give 4. Okay. So it is taking your starting character, counting it 1. But, and second occurrence, it is giving you 4. But when you are telling a start from here and give me up from here, first occurrence of A, you give me. From here, you give me first occurrence of A.
Yes, got it, sir.
So it will give you, overall, it will give you 4 only. But because see, string, you are passing full string only, no? It will not like give you from here and then it will give count from here till here. It's not like, it will be very confusing.
Yes, sir. It is query is different, but answer is same.
Answer is same. It will start from first character and it will give you second occurrence. Okay. But here it will start from third character and it will give you first occurrence from this first occurrence of A is this one. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's discuss more. Tell me this one. Or is a string. Piece of character is or. A string is or. So what is the things? A string is corporate floor. So how many or we have? 1, 2, 3. Correct.
Correct.
And I want or at the first position, from the first position and first occurrence. So what it will give? 2?
2 and 3. 2, 3, 23.
2, 3 it will. Why it will give 2 and 3 both?
2,
It
sir.
will only starting position of that it will give. Second position it will start.
2.
Okay. Now if I want second occurrence, then
You need to give
5.
4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
5. If I want this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
14.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
14.
Okay. Clear?
Yes.
Sir, it is for understanding purpose, it is quite easy, but for remembering, it's a little bit
Everything you
difficult.
need to do practice. Without practice, tomorrow you will forget it. If you will not do today and tomorrow practice, you will forget it. You have to listen again recording. That's what I did not explain in last class. No, I know like it's confusing. But if you'll work hard, like there is nothing, it will return you the numeric position. Why you are getting confused? Because I made it 2 scenario. So when you will do practice, it will be more clear.
Jayant,
Hmm.
in Drive, the SQL query, there is no data in that.
Which one? Drive.
If I click on in Drive,
Because I have uploaded half only. Functions will be there. Aggregate function till aggregate functions you have there. Is there no? Still 2 class we have. Okay. Practice from this and then day after tomorrow I'll upload it again. Full content I'll upload it. Okay guys, so another thing is that create one table. Okay, create one table and then add email and add something like Jayant @ where is @ man, @gmail.com. Then another value, you add it ram @gmail.com. So what I want, I don't want this. I want only name. I want only name. So what you have to do? You have to do the combinations of substring and instring. So you have to find this @ and then you have to find only this much. So for this we have a query. We have the query. Let me create the table, or you will try once, then we'll discuss it tomorrow. Okay, like this. This is the consider that this is the value of in a mail ID, and this is another mail ID will be yours. Consider that Ram. Okay, and then we will have another one. Another one consider Syam. Syam. So I want only Jayant, Ram, and then Syam. So what you have to do, create a table and add these values. Add this value and write a query for substring and instring. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to find the numeric position of this @ and then you have to return the piece of character. So try it by yourself. How to write Jayant, Ram, and Syam. How will you write the combinations of substring and instring? Do more practice. You will get it. Many people I did not teach in first class. They are able to give their answer. So you will also, if you try it, you will also get it. Okay. So try this method. Okay. And next topic will be your replace function. Any doubt in this in string functions? Raise your hand, guys. Any doubt? Raise your hand. Numeric position it will give for the piece of character. Whatever the string you will provide, it will give the numeric position in string. Now, anyone is having doubt? Raise your hand. Arindam? Arindam? Arindam, can you hear me?
Hello. Yes, sir. Hello. Hello.
Did you get it? Okay, you go on mute, man. Okay, So
Hello.
yeah, I
Any
got it, man. Okay, so let's go to the replace. If no one is having doubt, then we'll go to the replace function. Okay, so what replace functions will do? No, this is easy only. This is not so difficult. So replace functions replaces a given set of character in a string with another set of character. With another set of character replaces a given set of characters in a string with another set of characters. An oracle function is used to replace the string with a given string. An oracle function is used to replace the string with a given string. Okay, so what it will do, no? Like replace, if you'll give any string, okay, if you'll give any string, and what search string, consider that I want to replace J, I want to replace J from my name, and I want to put here Z. Okay, so what you will give? String is Jayant Kumar, search string is J, and replace string is Z. Replace string is Z. So that's what it will work. So let's see some of the example on this replace function. So it will replace the string of the, it will replace the string, whatever the you want to replace in place of some of the string, you can replace the things. So now like it's very easy. It's not so difficult. It's so easy. The only challenging will be your substring and in string here. Now this is the syntax of replace string, then search string, and I want to replace which string? I want J to be replaced with the Z. Like if you see here, J will be should be replaced with Z. Then you will pass the same value string, whatever the string you want to pass, and then whatever the search pattern, search string, and whatever the value you want to replace it. So if you run it, what output will get, guys? Same only. J will convert to Z. Okay. Next one, what you output you will get here? It's very easy. It's not so difficult.
blue, black. Blue and black.
Blue and black. Everyone?
Black and blue.
Black and blue. Everyone? If I'll run it, what you will get? Black and blue. So J will be replaced with BL. J will be replaced with BL. And here also J will be replaced with BL. If I'll make it J, so let's make it CL. Then clack and clue. So clack and clue, something like that. Okay. So this is your replace function. Any doubt in this search, guys? Raise your hand. Any doubt? Raise your hand. Okay, no one is having doubt. Let's move to the next topic then. Practice it. If you want to discuss again, we'll discuss it again. No worries in that. So date functions we have covered, guys? No.
No.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
yeah. So if you'll see the date functions, these are very important. In project also you'll be working frequently. These are the things. In project you will be working frequently. So what is date function? No, if you want to convert, if you want to get your system date, current today's date, then what you write sys date or current date, if you write, it will give you the current date. If you want to get the time stamp, like you with the minute, hours, second, also if you want, that also you can get it. If you want with the time zone, like it's in India time zone, Asia time zone. So what are the things are there? Wherever your clock will be connected, those time zone it will show. Okay. So one by one, we'll see what is the use of your date functions. So current date, what it will do, no? It will give you today's date. It will give you today's date only. So what is the date today? 3rd January 2023. 3rd January 2023, it will give you today's date only. Okay. Current date, it will give you today's date. Okay. This date also will give you the same only. This date also will give you same only, today's date only. There is no difference in that. Only thing is that two methods are there, that's all. Okay. So let's see one by one what we are getting it. Guys, how was the 1st January, guys? You had a party? All?
On 31st we do, but not on first.
Not much. What? Why?
On 31st we do, but for first date of month means 1st January we go to the temple only. No party.
So 31st you have a very hard party you have done.
Correct.
Okay. Everyone, I hope enjoyed your 31st. So if you'll see here, okay. So 03/01/2003. Correct. So today's date only it is printing, this date. If you'll write what current date, select current date.
From there.
It will also give you the same today's date only. It is same output for both. Okay. Now if you want to get the next topic will be current timestamp. So it will what it will do, no? Return the current date and time with the time zone also in the session time zone. Like what is the time zone? Like your Kolkata time zone, Kolkata Asia, it will show, no? Some like your current date as well as your hours, minutes, second, and then which time zone you are able you are there. In which time zone you are there. Now see, it's a 3rd January 2003. It's a 8:44 and 23 second and some millisecond also it is given. Millisecond. And then it's the evening here. So PM. And then it's Asia Kolkata time zone. So time zone also it is given. So current timestamp. Okay. So if you use like this, it will give you current timestamp like this. Okay. If you don't want Asia Kolkata, then we have another one, local timestamp. Return a timestamp value that represents the current date and time in the session time zone. Means what? It will give you only the date and time. What is the time we have? 8 o'clock, 8:45, something like that. It will give you today's date as well as time only. 8:45, 11 second, 48 millisecond, and then it's the evening, so PM. Easy, guys.
Yes, sir.
Now, next one will be add month. Okay, now add month. So if you want to, if you have any date, okay, if you have any date, select a star from so if you'll see here, what is this? Add date. Okay, so some of the date column will be there. Okay, if you want to add month here, like after 6 months, what date will get? After 6 months, after 1 year, what same date will get? So you'll use add month. You'll use add month. Like today is 3rd January. If I'll add 1 year, 12 month here, then we'll get same 3rd January 2024. Okay, so this will be useful when you'll be working in a project. Add month will be very useful when you will be working in a project. So in the project, no, you have to match some of the value between one layer to another layer. So there, sometimes you will be using add month also. Okay, you will be using add month also. So add a number of a month to a date and return the same day, which is end of the month away. So if you are adding 1 month, after 1 month, same day it will return. Okay. You are adding say 6 months, then after 6 months, same day it will return. If you are adding 12 months, then it will return the same day. Like I'll show you one thing. Today, like what is the sys date? Select sys date from dual, correct? So if you run it like this, you will get the today's date, correct? Today's date, you will get the today's date. Now, if I want to add month in this sys date, how many month you want, guys? Add, you will say that I want to add 12 month. So what date you will get here? After 12 month, what date you will get? 3rd January 2024, correct? Getting is 24, 23 become 24. So if I'll add 1 month, then what date you will get?
3rd February 2023.
3rd Feb.
3rd Feb you are getting. If you will add 6 months, then?
June. July.
Okay, so this is your add month. Now if I want to take the higher date.
Higher date, comma, higher date.
Okay, so this is the higher date we have. Okay, now I want to add all the value. I want to add 1 month. So what we will write, guys? Can you help me? Only 1 month I want to add.
Add month, comma, one.
High date.
Bracket and.
It will work, guys. What you will
Yes.
get here?
1 month
1757.
decreases. 10 9th comes to 10th.
Higher underscore. Yes.
Okay. See, earlier actual data is 17 June 2003, but it will change 07. 06 become 07, 9 become 10, 1 become 2, all these things. If you will add 3 months, then guys, 6 will become 9,
7 become 10.
7 will become 10, 6 will become 9. This is actual value it will add. Okay. So this is your add underscore month. Next one will be last day. Okay, so what it will do, no? Get the last day of the month of a specified date. Get the last day of month, like we have a January month. So what will be the last date, guys, for the January?
31st.
31st.
So it will give you 31st. So it will give 31st. So if I'll go 5 years back, 2016 January, it will also 31st. Okay, so
Yes.
like that it will be. So let's see what will be the last day. Select from what output will get here? 2016. Okay, whatever the day it will come in, consider that we'll take first January. Okay, so January month. 31st day it will be. It will return 31st.
31st Jan. Comma.
31st Jan. Okay, it will return 31st. So if I'll mention Feb, then whatever the day it will be 28, 29, it will show 29. Okay, so 29. If I'll make it 3, then
31.
31st, third month.
Okay. If I'll remove all these things, if I'll mention as a sys date, then
31st of this month.
Today is it will
this is
take
January month,
Today
correct? We are in
Yeah.
January month. So sys date will return today's date, today's month. Today month is
23.
January, so it will return 31st. Clear? And if I'll take higher date, then
Based on the month of it.
let's take it here only. Okay. Last day, you know. Then higher date, correct? Then guys, every month, last day of that month, correct? So whatever the value it will be, last day of this month it will show. Now see 30, 31. This is June, so June will have 30 days in a month. Here January will have 31st day, so it will return like that. Okay, clear guys? So just remember, these are the point. In interview, when you will practice the scenario based question, no, I have not uploaded your scenario based question, but if I'll go to the different drive, I'll show you there scenario based question will have multiple date functions will be there. So I'll upload it today. Okay, you start practicing today or tomorrow. I'll upload. Generally, I finish the things and then I upload. Like these are the scenario based question. Only you have to convert EMPS is there, no? You have to convert to employees, and you have to just manage with the hire date is there. So hire date there is no underscore. So you have to write according to the employees table. According to the employees table, you have to convert EMPS to the EMP table. This is old document, but it will work for the your table also. I found this very interesting. That's why we have this one. I have downloaded from online only. Will get somewhere, or like I had a handy like long back. Maybe when I practiced that time I was having. So I just taken the picture of that. Then I'm sharing. Someone like with Rohit or something they have prepared, and I was having this one handy. Okay, so you can, when you will practice this or no, it will help you a lot. Like see, select a star from employee where hire date is equal to this. So if you'll do 2 times of this one, your writing SQL query writing will be like, you know, you will be perfect in scenario based questions. I'll upload in a drive maybe tomorrow. I complete full syllabus, SQL full syllabus, then I used to upload, but I'll upload for you people fast only. So here you'll find somewhere it will be you know, like date functions also will be there. Okay, so like sys date, you see sys date, all the things will be there somewhere. Like if you'll refer it, you will get many things. Okay, so just practice it, you will get it. So last day done. Any doubt up to between this, up to here? Any doubt, guys? Any doubt?
No, Jay.
So instead of your add months, we can add a years also, right? It will work.
Add year, it will not work.
Only month it will work.
Yeah, add year, I have not come across of any function like that.
No.
Okay, so next one will be month between. If you want to find a month between a 2 date range. Okay, 2 date range. Consider that 2020, January 2020, till now how many months done? So it's been 3 years, correct? So it will give you 36 months. So if you want to find in a SQL, so you will write months between, month between. So it will give you month between 2 date range. 2 date range, it will give you month between. Like 2010 to 2020, how many total months? Okay, so all these things manually, if you'll calculate, you need a calculator and all to find the month between in between. If it's like year to end, January to January, you'll be able to say that okay, 12 month, 24 month. If it will be like January to June or October, it will be quite difficult to find the exact month. But in a SQL, if you want to find this month between, you can use it easily, and you will be able to find it month between. Okay. Now if you want to find the month between this date range and this date range, how many months it will give you guys? So 2017 0701, 2017 0101. So maybe 6 months
6
it will
months.
give
6 months.
07 minus 1, 07 minus 01, it will give 06. Correct. So like this, you will be able to find the month between. Consider that I want to find the month between your hire date and sys date. Your hire date and sys date. So what you'll use? Let me see whether it will work or not. Yeah, it is working here. Okay, sys date. See, 2003 to 23. How many years? 20 years. So how many total month it will be? So approximately 19.5, I guess. So if you want to find month between this, you will be able to find using months between operator. Okay, functions. This is the function. Using this, you will be able to find the month between. Okay, so let's see some of the example of it. Okay, so how many months it will return, guys?
6.
6 months.
6 months. Okay. Now if I'll go for the higher date minus sys date, higher date minus sys date. So what it will give, guys? Can anyone explain?
System date minus hire date.
So what it will give?
Sir, sys
How
date
many
means
months between
today's
the
date
system date
and
minus
higher date
hire date?
means
3 months.
So why it is giving in a minus?
Position of the
Sorry?
replace with the hire date with system date. Change it.
So this is the lower date and this is the higher date. That's why it is giving. When we do lower minus higher, it will always give minus. Okay. So what we have to do, we have to interchange.
Sys date. We have to interchange with sys date and hire date.
Got it? So between your sys date and hire date, it's a 234 months happen. 234 month. And this 57 means it will give you in a decimal. It will give you in decimal like 30 days, no? If you exactly, if you see here, how many days over 03 to 23. So it's like 20 days. So 20 days, when they convert it into the decimal, it is coming 57. So it will, the Oracle automatically it will convert and it will give you. So this is what we have the month between. Now one more interview question, guys. So they will ask you that how will you find, consider that one table you have employees table. And if you want to find the total number of years of expense, years of expense you want to find. Till now, consider that one person joined 10 years back. But in school, how will you find total number of years of experience? Same way you will say that. Okay. And if you will divide this month by 12, no, it will give you in a year. Correct. It will give you in a year the things. So if you'll use it. So this part is giving you total number of month. Okay. If you'll divide it by 12, no. If you'll divide it by 12 means what? It will give you number of years also. Now see 19 years, 19.5 years, 17.2 years, 21.9 years, like this. Okay, so it is converting into total number of years of experience. So he is having 19.5 years, he is having 17 years. So there is 17 years total experience he is having. all these things it will show. Clear, guys? Any doubt up to here? Anyone? Raise your hand who is having doubt. Guys,
No doubt.
okay. So next day what it will give, no? Give the first week that is later than as expired date. So if I want to find the what is the day today? Tuesday, no? I want to find the Sunday, which day Sunday will come. So what date Sunday will come? Sunday will be
7.
8th.
8.
8th. So it will give you 8. It will return 8. If you want to find next Tuesday, next Monday, so it will return 9, like that. Okay.
Nine.
Let's see. So next Sunday, what date it will return, guys?
8.
9.
8. 8 is Sunday. Okay. Okay. 8th will be the Sunday. If I'll replace it with Monday, then
9th.
so 9th. If I'll make it Tuesday, then
10th.
it will be 10th. Okay. So this is what we have the next day. Round functions, what it will do, no? There is some trick in round function. Okay, there is some trick in round function. So let's make use of it. First, we'll see the output, some output, and then we'll go for the trick.
Can you found the previous day also, like the next day function is there?
Previous day, we have to check the Google. Okay, so consider that we have the sys date here. Sys date, and I want round of it.
This is state spelling. State spelling.
Still, I'm getting headache from yesterday. So it is rounding it to first date of January month. First day of January month. Correct. So January month, it is rounding it to first day of month. So what it is doing, like it is having two things, guys. If your date is above 15, if your date is above 15, then what it will give, no? It will give you next month, first date. Next month, first date. So if your date is below 15, then it will give you lower date of the same month. Lower date of same month, like first. Same month. Like for the first day only, like how it is 3, no? Now, so if I make it round, it is giving you 1st January, correct? If it will be again 16, no? It would give you the next day, like 1st Feb it would give you. So let's see that how can we make it? How can we make use of it? So what date you will get here, guys? What date it will give?
8th month.
2007.
8/08.
31st.
Let's make it first only. Then now you tell me.
8th month. First of 8th month.
1st of Feb. 1st of Feb it is returning. How it calculates, no? Like if it will be 15, no, it will give you the lowest date of the month.
Lower date.
1-1. Okay. If I'll be above 15, no, it will give you next day of the month. Like if it will make it 28 also, it will give you next day of the, like first day of the next month. First day of the next month. So 01 will become 02 and then first day. So how it calculates, what I think, my assumptions, okay? So when it will go like it will print something like 31st Jan, okay, and then 2023, and then when it will go like 12, like this, no. So when you will have 12:00, no. So if you'll check your mobile or if you'll check your clock, the date will change at 12 o'clock. Correct. The date will change sharp exact as 12 o'clock. So when it is pointing to this 12, no, it is getting changed this date, no, that date will change to 01 Feb.
Month Feb.
Okay. So because of this only, it is giving you the next day of the month. Because of this, I guess, my assumptions, guys, up to now. Okay, so it will change, your date will change at 12 o'clock in midnight. So when it will pinch here, when it will reach here, so automatically it will convert 31st to 1st Feb. Clear, guys? If you will make it DD,
Yes, sir.
it is not going to change anything. Because DD again, you will have 24 hours. Okay, so it's not changing the date at all. You will not find anything interesting. It's just giving you 6/28 only. But it will be applicable for MM only. If you'll use YY, let's see what YY will do. So it is giving same day one. 1st January
Only for
2017.
months it will applicable.
Only for month it will be, round function will work nicely. So 2nd Feb. Okay, just do practice. Keep remember all these things. Not much useful. This I found not much useful. Okay, I'm not used till now, but keep remember this is interesting. If someone will ask, like sometimes in interview they may ask you. So that's why I've included this. So remember all this point. Okay, next one will be truncate. So this one will be no. Whatever the day you are specify, truncate. Whatever the day you mention it, your output will be 1st January only. 1st January only out of this. If you mention 10, 20, 30, 40, so it will return the 1st day of the month only. 1st day of the month. Okay. So if you'll go for this, so it will return. What date it will return, guys? So we have past 16 here. So what truncate will do, no? It will return the 1st day of the month only. 1st day of
First
month.
July. 1st July.
1st July it will return. See, 1st July only. You mention whatever the date you mention, 25. It will return first, all the day it will truncate and it will give you 1st day of the month, same month. There is no concept like round here. You mention whatever the day you mention, it will return the same only. Clear, guys?
Yes.
Okay, so this is what your date function. Next one will be your analytical. Shall I close it or you want to go ahead?
Can we do by tomorrow?
Yeah, too much, no, today?
Yeah, actually, we need to do some practice also.
Yeah, guys, please practice. If you'll not do practice, then it will be difficult. Atul?
Yes.
Yeah, please practice, okay?
Yes.
Okay, guys, so let's close the session and then we'll go for the practice, okay? Share me your screenshot, everyone, if you do practice. Bye
Okay, sir.
everyone. Take care.